All right. This is LeetCode 169, majority element in JavaScript. Essentially, you're supposed to look through an array and output whatever number is the majority of it. And by majority, they mean whatever has more than half of the indexes in the array. So there are 4 2s in this array, which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my approach to this is basically to make a hash map. And to do that, we will start with creating an object. And we will set a count. Count equals to 0. And we will also set the max, which will be the max element in here. So we'll do a for loop to create the hash map here. So if doesn't exist in the side of the object, we will create it, and we will make the value of that object key into 1. Otherwise, if this key does exist inside of the object, we will simply increment it. So then let's get the object out of that. If we run this, there we go. Here is this object. So for this 3, 2, 3, we have 2 with 1 occurrence as the value, and we have 3 with 2 occurrences as the value. Let's see if we can't reset this in the screen here so we can actually see what's going on here. Okay. All right, so now that we made a hash map, we're just going to loop through the hash map. We'll do J. Let J in the object. Okay. So we'll do an if statement, and we want to check to see if the value is greater than the count. And if it is, we'll set count to the value. Otherwise, we don't. And then we also want to set max to the key in that. So now all we need to do is just return max down here. And let's give that a run. Great. Let's hit submit. Working nicely as well. One thing that always helps me when I'm looking at these keys and values and trying to figure out counts and stuff like that, you can always just do this. Console log. And we added the console log there. So we can go ahead and see as we're going through this. Let's change this test case to, let's make this be something different. Now 4s are the max value in this. So if we run this code, why doesn't it like my code? Oh, because I have I in there. It needs to be J. Let's try this again. There we go. So you can see all the different values it's printing out here. 1, right? It's got something with the count of 1. It's got something with the count of 2. It's got something with the count of 4 here. All right. Let's minimize that up so you can see the whole problem. And if you like this video, you should subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.